This product right here does not exist because it's 190 yield strength. So this is a 25,000 PSI nitronic barrel. They don't exist unless we make them.
EnableTech creates these custom tubes through a CNC machining process called Flowforming. The creation of those long tubes begins in the engineering department using the customer's final product dimensions to calculate the size and shape of the blank, often referred to as the preform. The fabrication of the preform starts like most do with bar stock that meets specific material needs. EnableTech's quality control officer ensures they have the right product for each job.
I make sure that they meet our specification, and then I check a mag permeability to make sure that it meets the mag permeability requirement.
The magnetic permeability of a material indicates the ease with which an external magnetic field can create a higher magnetic force of attraction in the material. This is a vital component for MWD tools. In the machine shop, initial material prep involves cutting bars to length and drilling the inside diameter to spec. EnableTech fabricators then CNC the preforms to engineering specifications in preparation for flow forming. These preforms are approximately 3 feet long before they are mounted to the mandrel to begin the flow forming process. This is where the magic happens. The preform is slipped over an inner mandrel and secured into place. Then 3 rollers apply uniform controlled pressure to the outside diameter of the metal. While the mandrel rotates the preform at high speed, those rollers are pressing 75,000 pounds of force to the exterior of that preform. The preform material is compressed beyond its yield point. This is a process known as plastic deformation. The outside diameter of the preform is reduced and the available material volume is made to flow longitudinally over the inner rotating mandrel until the desired final length is achieved. The CNC cooling fluid must keep the preform material just below the recrystallization temperature in order to achieve this process. Since the finished tube doesn't need cool down time, it's ready to go to the last phase of the manufacturing process.
And this is a part of a quality process where we're actually drifting the tube for the OEM's specific drift sizes. We're able to hold 2/1000ths tolerance across the entire ID of the part. We are, checking all the tubes for straightness. This particular product has to be within the 5,000th foot for straightness, so we're just making sure that our process is holding to that specification. In this case, we will go down, we'll check it every foot as he's doing here, and we will bump straighten this product just to ensure that the customer receives the product in the exact straightness requirements that he needs.
After going through a final quality control check, these Enable Lloyd tubes are ready to ship.